Good afternoon, everybody all over the world. How are you today? My name is Roni Sarangaya from Tokyo, Japan. Today, I made a very special video entitled Radio Program Class of Exploring the Truth by Incarnate God Master Kanichi Otsuka. This radio program was on air in 1963 from June to November in Tokyo, Japan. Okay, let's start. So, let me introduce radio program Class of Exploring the Truth. During his stay in this planet Earth, Incarnate God Master Kanichi Otsuka made lectures about truth through radio station program in 1963 from June to November was 6 months. He opened the class study Class of Truth Exploring in Akasaka in front of the Hotel Okura Tokyo Japan. His lectures and interviews contained 76 stories. Today, Roni Sarangaya, as a devoted follower of Master Kanichi Otsuka, is more than happy to translate his lectures into English and disseminate them to the people all over the world from today. This is the first one precious video. The first story is entitled Truth Walks Beyond the Face. We are in June 1963. Announcer. Good morning. The time has come, so let us enjoy today. This program is prepared by Master Kanichi Otsuka, who managed Class of Exploring the Truth in front of Hotel Okura Tokyo, Akasaka, Japan. Truth is written as true reason by Chinese character. Well, let's breathe in the clean air of the morning and let's stay starry brightly all day long. This morning, I'd like to listen to the difference between the truth and reason from Master Kanichi Otsuka. Master Kanichi Otsuka says, the word reason differs depending on how you express it. But you could say God or Buddha, imaging the most noble man or character in this universe. Lead people to ideal stage, centering on God and Buddha. Religion led humanity having the faith and change the destiny. On the contrary, truth is, scientifically speaking, the principle of reality and the fundamental principle of which all things are generated, sustained, like reversed, transcending human faith. However, although religion has some great power, it can be grasped as it is. But there is a certain great power, imaging God and trying to lead people. The truth is thoroughly perceiving what the reality is, and to grasp the fundamental principle of it, and to let phenomena occur in repetition. And religion can be applied only to the humanity, not to cattle, horses, and mountains and rivers. Whereas the truth works in common with all existing things, it transcends space. Okay, Master Kanichi Otsuka answered to the announcer in this way. Announcer. Thanks for your intense listening this morning. I asked Master Kanichi Otsuka about the difference between truth and reason today. Well, everyone, whenever I open the newspaper every morning, how many accidents and calamities happening? In addition, those who are blessed with high status of being rich have no children sometimes. Some are suffering from incurable diseases, troubled by delinquents. Some are suffering from family disharmony, etc. However, here is the fountainhead of miracles, saving everybody completely and properly, resolving the troubles from all types of accidents and disasters. There are many actual proofs that are saved miraculously from all kinds of these troubles. Please come and visit to Master Kanichi Otsuka's Class of Exploring the Truth in front of Hotel Okura Tokyo Akasaka. Well, let's enjoy today is finished. See you at next program and goodbye now. Okay, this is the first story. Let me introduce about Master Kanichi Otsuka here. Master Kanichi Otsuka was born in Shikoku Island, Japan on 3rd May 1891. Even as a child, he predicted the future, cured the sick, and invented many devices. People looked up to him as a wonder child. Over a period of 10 years, he traveled widely and confirmed the reality of his divine power, not only around Japan, but also throughout Korea, Manchuria, Mongolia, and China. He visited high mountains and deep ravines where no humanity has set foot before. During these years, he exercised his divine power and confirmed his inborn unity with the fundamental principle of the universe. He taught people the divine way, the truth common to all fields, including medicine, education, and politics, since ascending to heaven in 1972. He has constantly worked great miracles to help people throughout these 3 stages, past, present, future, of their existence. He was descended to Japanese island in 19th century, 1891, famous for our odori, our dance. Roni Sarangaya is not in a position to show his picture in this PowerPoint with YouTube video because it's against the copyright, so please click below URL. Alright? Master Kanichi Otsuka visited the Asian continent for 10 years, to understand his own divine power, starting from, say, Shikoku, Osaka, Japan, to Busan, Korea, and China, and Mongolia. This way for 10 years. He traveled 10 years, coming back to Japan after 10 years. When he was 30, okay? Master Kanichi Otsuka ascended to divine position on May 18th in 1972, exactly 47 years today, okay? Master Kanichi Otsuka ascended on May 18th, 1972. This is called in Japanese Goshinza. Ascended to divine position and means returning to God. He was 81 years old. Master Kanichi Otsuka, who saved a lot of followers, people from death agony by letting them to go to heaven through miraculous transmigration phenomena, represented them an imaginable divinity at his time of his own last moment in this planet. After ascending, it took until February the next year until the farewell service is ready to be formally settled. And about 9 months between that, his holy divine body didn't change at all. It was warm and soft as glossy without any change. Master Kanichi Otsuka returned to divine position after executing his great divine task of and implement another important salvation planning in the universe. Such being the case, his ascending was not the end, but the beginning of the brilliant new age. It was in February 6th, 1973, that the internet service was held, and his holy body was listed in the Divine Advent Castle at Mount Manju, sacred place located in west part of Tokyo Prefecture, Japan. Sacred holy place of ultimate centers. So exactly 47 years ago today, he was ascended and came back, went back to divine position. Last week, I'll give you his prophecy. If my teaching, the ultimate Japanese Shintoism, spread to the world, and humanity follow the way of God, the fear of death will disappear from all over the world. All the people. The time has come that every single person will be able to do sublime transmigration to enter the paradise in Buddhism, heaven on Christianity. When humanity loses fear of death, people will be able to take advantage of their own natural talent to the best of their lives on this planet. Okay, Roni Sarangaya is making this sublime transmission migration video, so please take a look at that video also. Okay, today's YouTube the Roni program is finished. Thank you very much for your intensive listening and watching. Goodbye now. Have a nice day.